Hey guys, so you wanna know how my day is going? My day's been going pretty boring. I got up, that's it. I just went on YouTube, went on social media, the usual. I wanted to make this video to make you guys know that you're not alone. You don't know what somebody else went through today or yesterday or the day before. You don't know what's on their mind. And I mean, we all have good days and bad days, but it's up to you to decide how you're going to think about it. Like, something bad can happen and you can laugh it off, or something bad can happen and like, oh Jano, why did this have to happen? And then it just ruined your whole week because you just have that negative energy from the start. You're not alone. Know that. Just know that you're not alone. You're not the only one going through life. You know what I mean? You're not the only one having challenges. You're not the only one having accomplishments. Everyone's experience in this life is unique. All the people that we interact with are unique, and our experiences with those individuals are unique as well. So at the end of the day, I mean, some people beat themselves up and feel like they're not getting anywhere in life, or they're at a standstill, or right now you just feel like you should be doing more. I mean, you have time, you know what I mean? I'm sure you're not the only one that feels that way. I feel that way sometimes. There are lots of things that I think I should have done or could have done that I've still not yet done, whether it be through laziness, procrastination. It's a part of all of us, and I think we should accept that more rather than beat ourselves up about it, because it's just a natural thing that happens. But what you guys need to focus on is just living a good life. Like, always try to be happy. I haven't made YouTube videos in about 2.5 years, and that's because I haven't made a YouTube video in about 2.5 years. And that's not because I didn't want to, because I love making videos, I love pushing out content. I kind of like seeing my face online. I'm sure a lot of people can relate, but I always wanted to continue making YouTube videos, but I haven't brought myself to doing it either because I was nervous or because I felt like I'd be judged. I didn't feel that the content would be good enough or of a high enough quality that I could push out to you guys. Another challenge of me making videos was, I don't think I'm a comedy person. Like, okay, my videos are funny, but I didn't try. I just did a thing and I guess people liked it. But comedy isn't really for me. I prefer to make more talking videos. I think everybody's doing comedy, everybody's doing makeup and hauls, but I just feel like there's a void in the talking space. But here I am now, as I was watching a video earlier on YouTube, and yeah, a kid actually said something that kind of struck me. I mean, he's a little youth, but this is what he said.
I'm going to move to Cali, and I'm a little scared. Well, I have faith. I have faith that everything will be all right in the end, and I have faith that I will make it. I wish everybody out there a great existence, a great life. Have purpose, have meaning. Go at it. Challenge the impossible. And, you know, don't sit at home eating Doritos. And when you have opportunity, you should take it.
So this is me getting off my ass and not eating Doritos and taking up the opportunity. I think my purpose is to communicate to people. I like talking sometimes. I like sharing my ideas sometimes. So this is me fulfilling a part of my purpose. I think I have many purposes in life, and this is one of the key ones that I've always wanted to continue doing. So I guess you guys can welcome me back to YouTube. I think a lot of you guys know your purpose deep down, but you're afraid to go for it. And I don't know what your purpose is for not doing it. I mean, mine is just laziness or fear of being judged. But you know what you want to do, and no matter how much things, how much hurdles you think is going to come up, just try. Just go for it and see where it takes you, because you never know. You don't know how far you're going to go. You don't know how good you're going to get at it. But you will never know unless you try. So I challenge you to put down your phone right now, or your computer or whatever, and just do something that you've always wanted to do today. Just spend 10 minutes and try to learn something new about it. Try to not be lazy, and that's my advice to you guys for the day. You know what I mean? So I hope you guys enjoy listening to me, I guess, because you'll be hearing a lot of me talking from now on. And yeah, have an amazing day, have an amazing weekend, have an amazing week, just be amazing at all times. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Boom.